Hello student, my name is Vivek Nakom and today I will tell you one story. So this is a story about a farmer. एक किसान था जो बहुत ही दुखी था. So he goes to his friend. अपने फ्रेंड के पास गया. उसने अपने फ्रेंड के पास जाके बताया कि मैं बहुत परेशान हूँ. तो उसके फ्रेंड ने उसकी वजह पूछी. सो किसान ने बोला कि मेरा जो फार्म है वहाँ पे हर रोज़ बैल आ जाती है और मेरी सारी फसल खा जाती है. सो उसका अभी मैं क्या करूँ. तो उसके फ्रेंड ने उसको बताया कि वाई डोंट यू फेंस द फार्म. तो अपने फार्म को फेंसिंग क्यों नहीं करवा लेते. तो किसान ने बोला कि वो क्या होता है. सो उसके फ्रेंड ने बोला इट इज़ नथिंग, जस्ट यू जस्ट हैव टू कवर अप द बाउंड्रीज ऑफ योर फार्म विद द वायर्स. सो किसान ने बोला कि हाँ ये तो बहुत ही अच्छा आइडिया है. बट फिर किसान ने बोला कि मुझे कैसे पता चलेगा कि मेरी बाउंड्रीज कितनी है. मेरी जो खेत की बाउंड्रीज है वो उसका मेजरमेंट कितना है वो मुझे कैसे पता चलेगा. तो उसके फ्रेंड ने उसका भी सॉल्यूशन बताया कि यू जस्ट हैव टू फाइंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ द रोप. यू कैन फाइंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ द रोप जस्ट लाइक दैट. Say for example, if this is your boundary, this is your farm. Say for example, this is the farm. Then you just have to put the rope over here. एक पॉइंट से स्टार्ट करना है और you just have to spread on the boundaries just like that. And then after you just have to open up that rope. So it would be like a straight line then, and you can measure with the meter tape, right? You can measure with that meter tape. So how much meter you want the fencing, you can measure with this. So उसके फ्रेंड ने बोला कि हाँ ये तो बहुत ही अच्छा आइडिया है कि मैं इससे इस तरह से उसको मेजरमेंट कर सकता हूँ. ओके नाउ स्टूडेंट टेल मी, इसका ये स्टोरी का और हमारे टॉपिक का क्या लेना देना है. ओह यस राइट. नो दिस इज नॉट एनी अदर काइंड ऑफ स्टोरी. दिस इज द स्टोरी अबाउट आवर टॉपिक कि इस टाइप की अगर फिगर हो तो हमें उसके बारे में कैसे पता चलेगा कि हमें ये फिगर की जो बाउंड्रीज है उसका मेजरमेंट ये होता है. देन सो टुडे आवर सब्जेक्ट इज मैथ्स. एंड ये जो हमने किया उसको बोलते हैं टू फाइंड द पैरामीटर. राइट. सो टुडेज आवर टॉपिक इज पैरामीटर. सो व्हाट इज द पैरामीटर, व्हाट वी हैव फाइंड ओवर हियर. सो इट इज द लेंथ ऑफ द बाउंड्री ऑफ एनी क्लोज्ड फिगर. राइट. So as you can see that this is the closed figure. अगर इस तरह से फिगर होती तो उसको ओपन फिगर बोलते, बट दिस इज द क्लोज्ड फिगर. राइट. So the perimeter means that the length of the boundary of any closed figure. Understood? Okay. So as per your syllabus, this type of figure is called a unstandard figure. What is called unstandard figure? So हमने आप देख सकते हो कि यहाँ पे हमने जो इसका मेजरमेंट किया कि measure with the help of the rope. But generally in the maths instrument we don't use the rope to measure anything. What we use the ruler, right? So this is called the unstandard figure. और इस टाइप की फिगर्स हमारे में नहीं आएगी. हमारे में कौन सी टाइप की आएगी. वी हैव दिस टाइप ऑफ फिगर व्हिच इज कॉल्ड द स्टैंडर्ड फिगर. इसको क्या बोलते हैं, स्टैंडर्ड फिगर. सो इसका पैरामीटर हम रूलर की हेल्प से फाइंड कर सकते हैं. वी कैन फाइंड द लेंथ ऑफ दिस साइड विद द हेल्प ऑफ द रूलर. राइट. So again one more time, what is the parameter? The parameter is the length of the boundary page number 161, chapter number 11, perimeter and area. On that you can see that कि वहाँ पे भी एक इसी तरह से स्टोरी जैसा एक एग्जांपल्स दिया है, राइट, कि उसमें क्या है कि 4 चिल्ड्रंस हैं, जिसमें से जो एक चिल्ड्रन है, एक गर्ल है, उसको क्या करना है, उसको अपना जो बोर्ड है उसको डेकोरेट करना है, बट शी डोंट नो हाउ टू फाइंड इट, कि ये इसका मेजरमेंट क्या है वो उसको नहीं पता है कि वो कैसे फाइंड करेगी कि या इसका मेजरमेंट कितना है, इसकी लेंथ कितनी है, वो उसको नहीं पता है. तो शी जस्ट हैव टू फाइंड द लेंथ ऑफ इट. So for example, this is the board. So उसको क्या फाइंड करना रहेगा कि ये जो टोटल बाउंड्री है उसका मेजरमेंट उसको फाइंड करना है. So let's take this as a 2 meter, this one as a 1 meter, and same way this is the 2 meter. Why both are 2 meter? Because this is the shape of the rectangle, and you know that about the rectangle opposite sides are equal. So if this is the 1 meter, this is also the 1 meter. Understood? So as per our perimeter, if we started from this point, so it would be this is 2 meter plus 1 meter plus 2 meter plus 1 meter. Right? जहाँ से स्टार्ट किया वहीं पे खत्म होना चाहिए. Then and only then it would be a close figure ना. Understood? So it would be a 6 meter, 2 plus 3, 2 plus 1 3 plus 2 5 plus 1 6. So the length of the boundary of the board is 6 meter. Now she can fill the blackboard because she have the measurement of this. Right? Understood? Okay. So next we will make the equation to find the perimeter of the different shapes. Remember, we are making the equation, we are not remember it. Just like that, keep square. Let's find the equation for the square. So this is the square, and you know one thing about the square, which is all sides are equal, right? Okay. So say for example, if this is the 1 meter, this is also 1 meter, this is also 1 meter, and this one is also 1 meter. So you can find like that perimeter of square is equals to, let's start from this point, 1 meter plus 1 meter plus 1 meter plus 1 meter. So 4 times it is 1 meter, so it will be 4 meter. Okay, now let's take the general for that. If we don't know what is the value of the length of it, say for it is just the random value, or we just let's take the side as the value of the length of the square. So how can we find the perimeter of it? We put the length in place as a side. So it is like a side plus side plus side plus side. Right? So it is the 4 times sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then so we can write like that. side. So this is the equation for the square. Okay, now let's make the equation for the rectangle. Okay, in the rectangle also we know one thing, that opposite sides are equal, right? So on the rectangle we can take that longest side as a length, right, and shortest side as a breadth. Understood? So this is also the same way length, same way this is also the breadth. Both are equal, length both are equal, and breadth also are equal. Why? Because this is the rectangle, and in the rectangle the opposite sides measure is same. So we can find the perimeter of like that. Perimeter of rectangle is equals to, we'll start from this point, then this measurement is length. रेक्टेंगल की जो लॉन्गेस्ट साइड होती है उसको हम लेंथ बोलते हैं, और जो शॉर्टेस्ट साइड होती है उसको हम ब्रेड्थ बोलते हैं. सो दिस इज द लेंथ प्लस ब्रेड्थ प्लस लेंथ प्लस ब्रेड्थ. Then length plus breadth plus length plus breadth. यहाँ पे end हो गया. Then so in this one you can see that there is a 2 times length, 1 and 2 times breadth. So in this one also we can write like that 2 multiplied by length. Why? Because 2 times length are there, plus same way 2 multiplied by breadth. Why? Because 2 times breadth are there. Now common the 2 from this one, so it would be 2 multiplied by in bracket length plus breadth. And now this is our second equation for the perimeter of the rectangle. Remember one thing again, we will not find the equation we have over here, make the equation for that. Understood? Now let's make one more equation. Let's take triangle. Okay, in the triangle we know that the 3 sides will be there. So perimeter of triangle, say for example this is 1 meter, this is 2 meter, and this is 3 meter. So it would be 1 plus 2 plus 3, that would be 6 meter, right? So in the perimeter of the triangle, the equation is just as the same, that addition of the first one side, then say plus second side plus third side. Understood? Or if all sides are equal, say for example if the triangle is like that, and all sides are equal, 2 meter, 2 meter and 2 meter. It is given that the all sides of the is 5 meter, and this is 5 meter. So if the measurement is given like that and you want to find the perimeter of this figure, so how can we do it? First we'll put the name of that shape, just like this is point A, that's B, that's C, that's D, E, and F, right? So we want to find the perimeter of ABCDEF. We can find like that the perimeter of ABCDEF is equals to, we'll put the addition of the one by one all the sides. That's like a first AB plus BC plus CD plus DE plus EF and last FA. Understood? We'll start from here. AB plus BC plus CD plus DE plus EF plus FA. Then all the sides are there. Now put the value of them. 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 2 plus 5 plus 5. Now add them. 2 plus 3 5 plus 3 8 plus 2 10 plus 5 15 plus 5 20. So the perimeter of ABCDEF is 20 meter. Understood? So if there is this type of figure is given, so first we'll put the name of it like that, and then after we can add them side by side. Understood? Okay, next page number 164. Exercise 11.1. The first question is about to find the perimeter of the given shape. So as you can see that the shapes are the triangle. In the first one there is a triangle, then after the second one there is a rectangle, and the third it is the square. So all of them we already find over here in the examples. जहाँ पे हमने यहाँ पर एग्जाम्पल्स लिए थे जिसमें हमने उन तीनों के पेरीमीटर फाइंड किए थे, राइट, इक्वेशंस बनाए थे. सो विद द हेल्प ऑफ दैट इक्वेशंस यू हैव टू फाइंड द पेरीमीटर ऑफ देम. सो द क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट, क्वेश्चन 1 इज इन योर होमवर्क. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. This is the second question. First one, there are the three figures are there, A, B and C, on which third one I wrote over here. It is a square grid. ये क्या है? Square grid है 1 by 1 सेंटीमीटर की. That means कि ये जो square बना वो उसकी साइड की लेंथ क्या है? 1 सेंटीमीटर. Means 1 सेंटीमीटर 1 सेंटीमीटर. Right? So from that point of view we have to find the perimeter of this shape. ये शेप जो इसमें बनाया है उसका perimeter हमें फाइंड करना है. What is the perimeter? So first step we will put the value of each of the sides, right? Just like that. This is the 1 centimeter. This one is also 1 centimeter. All are in the centimeter, so I will just put the digit only. This is also 1. This is 1. This is 1 plus 1. So it's a 2. Understood? This is 2. This is 1. That one is again 1 centimeter. This is also 1 centimeter. This one is 1 plus 1, 2 2 centimeter. This one is again 1 centimeter. This one is 1 centimeter. Again 1 centimeter. 1 plus 1 2 centimeter. This one is 1 centimeter. Again 1 centimeter. This one is also 1 centimeter, and this one is 1 plus 1 2 centimeter. Understood? So this is our first step to put the value of each and every sides. सारी की सारी जितनी भी साइड से ये पूरा शेप बना है उसमें सब की वैल्यू पुट करनी है. Okay, to find the perimeter of them, we will select first one point. So say for example this is our point, and from that we will add one by one all the sides, just like 1 plus 1 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4 4 plus 2 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 and 24. So the perimeter of C, this is the C question, so it is a C. Perimeter of C is what we get? It's a 24. The unit of this is centimeter, so we will put that centimeter. Understood? So the perimeter of C is 24 centimeter. There are other two questions which is A and B that you have to find in your homework again. Done. And then after the two questions is also asked that highest perimeter means किसका highest perimeter है, and the second question किसका lowest perimeter है. So you will find all of the three objects perimeter, and then after you just have to answer as a A or B or as a C. That say for example A C का ये perimeter जो मिला ये highest है, बाकी दोनों से तो आंसर क्या मिलेगा अपना C. Okay, done. Then after the question number 3. Question number 3 is that type of question also we have done over here. Then on that there are two questions are there. As you can see, two questions. So that also you have to do in the homework. Remember the step. What you have to do on that type of questions? You just have to name that shape just as a B C D. Then and then after all one by one all the sides you have to add to find the perimeter of them. Okay. Okay, next question number 4. On the question number 4, the question is like that: to find the missing sides of the shape. So the figure you have given, then on that all the sides is given except the one, and the perimeter of that shape is given inside. Right. So this is the B, question number 4, B. Then as you can see, the shape is given, all the sides is given except that one. Then and the perimeter of them is given inside of them. Okay, so you have to find the missing side. Then so first step you have to put the name of them just like that A B C D, and you can find like that. See, the perimeter is already given, just 28 centimeter. Then so from that perimeter equation you can find the length of this side. Pay attention here. Perimeter of ABCD is equals to, so it is like a AB, addition of both sides, AB plus BC plus CD plus DA, right? Okay, now so the perimeter is already given, which will write like that 28, and after it is equals to 4 plus 8 plus CD is equals to 9 plus DA we don't know, so we will put as it is because we want to find it, right? So So if it is comes to this side, so it will be minus 28 minus 21 is equals to dA. So the dA is equals to 28 minus 21 it will be 7 centimeter. Understood? Right? So that's how you can find the missing side by the equation of the millimeter. Then remaining two you have to do in your homework. Again, I guess one is only remain. Then that's it. This is for today's 1 to 4 question. Remember the homework. Question number 1 you have to do in the homework. In the question second you have to do the A and B. Then see how I already gave done over here. Question number 3 was in the question number 4 remaining one. Done. Okay. Bye.